In case of the idea generation, research and development, and the fourth one is employees. Employees are those persons who are being appointed by you in your organization. As and when you will invite, please come, give me the suggestions how to chase maximum profit, how to change the design of this product, how to tackle the suggestions and the complaints or the feedback given by the customers. As and when you will take a round the table meeting, they will give so many suggestions to you, and as per the recommendations, as per the request of those employees, you will give your best to the society. On what basis? On the basis of the idea which was generated by your employees. Therefore, it is necessary to call any idea from your employees. Is it clear? Are you getting my point? Okay. Next point is brainstorming. 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 Dash focus group. Brainstorming dash focus group. Are you listening? Okay. Brainstorming mean to say when a person or any organization or a firm, they will join a particular group which will enhance every time new ideas, which will create new ideas every time. Here is when we are sitting here. I will give a live example to you. As you know, nowadays Ramayana is going on and Ram Setu was built up. After observing that, I have make a stand of the water tank from getting the motivation from that Ram Setu. Similarly, you can get an idea from your surroundings, from your pillars, from your stakeholders, from your focus group. Here the word is utilized brainstorming, mean to say the storm in the brain by which we can create new ideas. How to prepare the best sanitizer? Someone is saying, okay, add this, and you will create it. Another person is saying, no, an additional point may be given, and you can add this. The focus group is the group of those persons. For example, we invite 10 people by organizing a conference, seminar, committee, or the particular series of those people which are the who are the expert of that particular point. And you know at that moment synergical effect will emerge. You know very well synergy effect. 2 plus 2 is equal to how much? 2 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. Mean to say there are 4 people sitting together. They have their own ideas, one, 4 ideas, and they will conclude one idea. That is the fifth one. That's why